Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment programming with generative AI week 4 assignment 4. So the first question is, suppose you are asked to write the following function. So this is our function and code, and the question is, which of the following will be the most useful helper function to define. So these are the function, and the answer of our first question is A. Def is underscore prime and such that int bool. So the second question is, your friend has written the following Python function based on the recursive definition of the factorial function given at this Wikipedia link. So this is our function, and select all true statement from the option below. So these are the statement, and the answer of second question is B. A base case is necessary, and C. Factorial 1 equal to 1, and F. Calling factorial minus 1 result in infinite recursion. Now the third question is, consider the following buggy recursive Python function. So this is our function, and the question is, use this code check link to refute the above function where n equal to 9 and the value of m expected underscore answer and return underscore value are. So these are the option, and the answer of our third question is m equal to 3 and expected underscore answer equal to true, and return underscore value equal to false. Now the fourth question is, your friend has written the following function. So this is our function, and the question is, which of these indicate an error in the above code. So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is F. The above code fails doc test 1. Now the fifth question is, ask the client. Our client want us to write a function num underscore words to count the number of words in a given string. Use this code check link to clarify which of the following properties the num underscore words function should satisfy. So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is B. Two words can be separated by one or more. C. Two words can be separated by one or more slash n, and D. Two words can be separated by one or more slash t tabs, and G. The client want all words. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.